Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Screamin Sicilian loaded breadsticks pepperoni edition. Now we've got everything that we need assembled here. It is quite simple. You're just going to need your breadsticks and some scissors to open it up with, or if you're feeling extra frisky, just go ahead and use your little hands. Now the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees, and then we're just going to go ahead and open this up. Now I do want my toppings to be as evenly distributed as possible, so they are a little patchy right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to move everything around. All right, now that that's done, the only thing left to do is pop this into our oven for 18 to 21 minutes. We just want the top to be gooey. We want the cheese to be getting a little crust on it. We want everything to just be all melty and delicious. So I'm gonna pop mine in and then I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, we are back, and it took exactly 20 minutes in my oven to get everything looking like it was done enough. So here is our completed product. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.